Hi and welcome back. This is the second tutorial on live text, and in this tutorial we'll talk about creating a portfolio document from a template. Log back into live text as we learned last tutorial by entering your user ID and your password. When you click the login screen, you may be greeted with some tutorials which you can bypass or view at your own leisure. But in this tutorial we'll talk about checking your inbox. That's looking at the documents that you've already created and that other people have shared with you. We'll also look at how to create a new document using a template. We can see reviews. That's if you've sent a portfolio for your instructor to review and you want to review their comments. First though, we'll learn how to create a portfolio using an available template. To do this, you need to be in the Documents tab, because this is how you'll have access to the New button. To create any new portfolio at any time, you'll click on that New button, and this will give you access to the provided templates. Click the Portfolios area underneath the Ohio Franklin University Division of Arts and Sciences option, and then you'll see the list of available templates from which you can choose. We'll choose the IDST 100 Introduction to Portfolio option, which is the course that we're studying currently. When you click on this option, you'll be able to see the template as it's already been designed on the right pane. So this shows you the pre-formatted information that will be provided in this template. Click Create Document. You can then provide a title. If you just click OK at this point, it will use the available title provided. But you can go in and type and change the available title to whatever you wish. For this demonstration, we'll leave it as IDST 100 Introduction to Portfolios and click OK. Once you're in this screen, you're now creating your portfolio. You'll notice that there are several areas that indicate that you can click them and it will allow you to edit. For example, if I click here in the instructions area, I will have an editing pane where I can enter content. Use Save and Finish to return you to the overview of the portfolio itself. I can enter a new title for my page in the same way. I can also edit the content using the button. And I can manipulate the content in the same way as I would with any standard editing software. Using Save and Finish at any point will continue to update your changes. I can change the title of my area here. And I can also view the available pages that have been created in the template. For example, there is a section on courses and syllabi, certificates and testimonials, program outcomes and artifacts, and program reflections. You can edit and add to any of this content as you wish, and we'll learn more about editing and updating this information in subsequent tutorials. You can retrieve this portfolio at any point by returning to My Work and looking in your inbox. Sometimes it's helpful to rearrange the content of your portfolio by changing the date modified. This will allow you to see the latest portfolios added to your inbox. This is the one we just created, so if I can click on it, I can go back to the portfolio we were just working on. This is a helpful tip to allow you to retrieve portfolios quickly. You can create as many portfolios as you wish using live text. There's no limit to the amount of portfolios you can create, so feel free to go ahead and experiment. That's it for this tutorial. Go ahead and experiment. You can add and delete portfolios and experiment with the content, and then in subsequent portfolios we'll learn how to update images and videos and make your portfolios look more professional.